How to fix eBay cannot withdraw funds. To fix an eBay fund withdrawal block, first of all, you must resolve the specific restrictions on your eBay managed payments account. First of all, make sure that your identity and business details are on point. eBay frequently blocks withdrawals if your legal name, social security number, or employer identification number does not match your bank account. So go ahead and launch the eBay application. Then tap on this My eBay tab, head to the payment section. Once you find the payments option, go ahead and tap on it and then head to registration information to re-upload your government ID or proof of address if prompted. And this is how you can fix your eBay cannot withdraw funds. Or what you can also do is verify the bank account and confirm the amounts and also switch the checking. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.